officer, Kasese, Society Resource Center of Kasese District. Our partner, the Rwenzori Information Centers Network, all our supporting partners for this facility at the E-Society Resource Center. One of the fruits, very practical fruits of public-private partnership, what has it contributed to our development as a district? Before this facility, we spent a lot of time traveling out of the district headquarters to do things like printing, surfing the internet, of course, in effect, spending more money. But now we have cut that time wasted and reduced some of the costs, printing and so on, because now our staff can quickly run there and print their documents there and also surf the internet. So in terms of gaps, timing, the time spent and the money spent, we've experienced some impact. Secondly, this is an E-Society Resource Center. It is a community facility. We are custodians of this facility as a district. We have opened it to the community beyond the local government staff. Scores of users, especially students, university interns, college interns, have been able to use the center to further their education.
I'm an assistant district water officer. I'm really appreciating the services of the internet network they are giving us. I'm sure as staff of the district shall get skills and we shall be able to access the world of .com. I really appreciate management that is installing the system. I believe with it be able to develop our careers and skills.
My name is Namande Caroline. I am very happy for the ISOs on RIC-NET for this very good service that has provided internet, access to computers. In fact, I'm feeling so good about the service. Thank you so much.
We have been lacking these internet services. Now it is good that God has heard our prayers. RIC-NET has responded according to our needs. Our needs, praise God.
And I'm a CAS District Labor Officer, Uganda Sub-County. We're happy about the center because actually it has helped us to extend such services to our rural settings. We have been suffering with the net because we could not exchange some of this data, extend the ministry, send to some other relevant offices. But since it has been established to our district headquarters now, we shall be able to have easier communication because you can exchange, you can be given, you can send any data you want at any time. Since we will have the service here, and actually are very grateful to the RICNET for having installed these services to our district headquarters. It will be very useful to our people and our community around.
That all of us who are here are meant to provide services to the people. The NGO policy clearly spells out the roles and responsibilities of each of the key stakeholders, both civil and also public. Information is power. RICNET, for you are wider in coverage because you have even made us improve on our communication. In society, what has happened is that most often than not, our heads of departments go for workshops. When you want to meet an officer, you call him, oh, I've been invited by strikes for a meeting in Mbarara. That how did you get the information? An email. Now, because the cow does not have read his mails, he is not able to know that his officer has been in, his or her officer has been invited. Again, we need to improve on our mode of communication.
Before I came to the district council, I happened to be the chairman of the youth of the district in Kamwenge. And one of the great challenges we had identified that was hindering the district's development was the issue of information dissemination. You will find that we have a number of people, even who stay near the town, but whenever there will be opportunities in the papers or anywhere, they will miss out and they will end up complaining that they were not informed. So we are very grateful that the RICNET has been able to help us fairly I can say that you are helping us bridge the gap